Hi guys, good day and welcome to my blog journey. So if you can see, no, dito po kami sa part ng Mindanao. No? Try po namin itong uh, discover if there is some minerals, no, like gold. No? Tinitingnan namin kung may mga gold talaga dito kasi based doon sa mga sinabi ng mga taga rito, this place na meron talagang tinatawag nating free gold. So, the first step namin ginawa ay to exploit, no? Check namin kung may gold talaga. So, this is what happened. So, thank you guys and see you in my next video.